Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the mottos of some of the Indian Armed Forces. Firstly, motto of Indian Army is Service before self, Seva Paramo Dharma. Motto of Indian Navy is Sam No Varuna. Motto of Indian Air Force is Nabha Sparsham Deeptam, touch the sky with glory. Motto of Indian Coast Guard, Vayam Rakshama. Motto of BSF, Border Security Force is Duty unto Death. Motto of NSG, National Security Guard is Sarvatra Sarvottam Suraksha. Motto of SSB, Sahastra Seema Bal is Service, Security and Brotherhood. Motto of ITBP, Indo-Tibetan Border Police is Shaurya Dridhata Karma Nishtha. Motto of CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force is Service and Loyalty. Motto of CISF, Central Industrial Security Force is Protection and Security. Jai Hind.